Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best 12x17 picture frame on the market, the PEALSN 12x17 picture frame in black. Whether you're looking to display your favorite artwork, photographs, or posters, this frame is designed to be the perfect size and style for any setting, be it your home, office, or dorm room. Right off the bat, the PEALSN frame impresses with its high-quality construction. The frame is made from engineered wood, providing a sturdy yet lightweight structure that's built to last. The front cover is crafted from clear plastic, specifically HD plexiglass, which not only protects your images from dust and damage but also keeps everything looking crisp and vibrant. One of the best features of this frame is its versatility and display options. You can hang it vertically or horizontally thanks to the dedicated suspension hardware on the back. This allows for easy customization to fit your space or personal preference, whether you're creating a gallery wall or simply hanging a single piece. The MDF backing is solid and reliable, ensuring that your poster or photograph stays perfectly in place without any warping or slipping over time. Despite its robust materials, the overall frame remains lightweight, making it easy to hang and reposition as needed. Design-wise, the PEALSN 12x17 frame offers a sleek, modern look with a smooth black finish. This minimalist style complements various decor themes, from contemporary to traditional, allowing it to blend seamlessly into any room's aesthetic. Packaging is another aspect where this frame shines. It arrives carefully packed to avoid any damage during shipping, so you can expect it to arrive in perfect condition and ready to use right away. With dimensions of 12 inches by 17 inches, this frame hits the sweet spot for displaying medium-sized posters or photos that might otherwise be tricky to find a frame for. It strikes a great balance between being large enough to make an impact and compact enough to fit comfortably on your walls. In summary, the PEALSN 12x17 picture frame offers durable materials, versatile mounting options, and a timeless design, all wrapped up in a lightweight, easy-to-handle package. It's an excellent choice for anyone looking to showcase their favorite prints with style and confidence. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're considering a new frame for your art or photos, this PEALSN 12x17 frame should definitely be on your radar. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews. See you next time.